How to get a free trial of Namecheap services. Namecheap offers free trials for its EasyWP managed WordPress hosting, private email hosting, and SiteMaker website builder. These trials allow users to explore the features before committing to a paid plan. Step 1. Choose the Namecheap service you want to try. EasyWP managed WordPress. Hosting, 30-day free trial. Private email. Hosting, 60-day free trial. SiteMaker website. Builder, 14-day free trial. Step 2. Sign up for EasyWP free trial. Visit the EasyWP hosting page. Click on Start Free Trial and select the EasyWP Starter Plan. Complete the sign-up process. No credit card is required for this trial. Step 3. Sign up for private email hosting free trial. Go to the private email hosting section. Select a plan, Starter, Pro, or Ultimate. Choose the 2 months free trial option. Enter the necessary details and finalize registration. Step 4. Sign up for SiteMaker, website builder free trial. Navigate to the SiteMaker section. Click Try for free and choose a plan. Personal SiteMaker, Business SiteMaker, or Simple Links. Follow the steps to set up your website. Step 5. Explore the features. Use the service during the trial period to test its functionality. Manage your settings and explore the available tools. Step 6. Upgrade or cancel before trial ends. If you wish to continue using the service, select a paid plan before the trial expires. To avoid charges, cancel your subscription in your account settings before the free trial ends. By following these steps, you can test Namecheap services risk-free and decide whether they meet your needs.